The Iron Goddess, the one who successfully merged science with faith. Welcome to the Casandalee video, part of the Oh My God series here on Cardinal Adventures. Hello, it has been a hot minute since I have posted a video that isn't part of the Age of Ashes playthrough. I still can't believe that I am GMing the final book and installment of that adventure path. There is one announcement I have to make before we get into the meat and potatoes of this video. I'm in the process of releasing not one, but two actual play podcasts that will be starting on November 25th. Abomination Vaults and Quest for the Frozen Flame. There will be one episode of each adventure path per week. More information to follow as we approach that release date. But without further ado, let's get into this video, which was requested by Civi Vortak. I hope I didn't butcher that. Casandalee is an interesting deity, to say the least. She hails from outer space and came to the land of Numeria, which has its own unique challenges. Historically, technology has divided the people of Numeria and caused a great deal of civil discourse. Any tool or leap in technology can be used for good as much as it can be used for evil. So does that mean technology is good or evil? It is neither, or in what Pathfinder terms we would call neutral, which is, yep, you guessed it, Casandalee's alignment. She strives to remove the fear of advanced technology amongst the populace of Galarian. Androids typically revere Casandalee because their mere existence is one that is supported by her. Most people on Galarian have never met an android and probably never will, so it would be difficult for them to understand or grasp the concept of a living, artificial, free-willed humanoid. Casandalee's message attempts to bridge that gap of misunderstanding, so there is less overall ignorance when discussing such topics. Other followers of Casandalee simply search for signs of equipment or gear that could be considered advanced technology in the hopes that it will lead them to other beings of artificial life. On a final note, if you needed one more reason to consider Casandalee as your next deity for your cleric or champion, check out her favorite weapon, the Poly Tool. It's a D6 bludgeoning, piercing, and slashing weapon, and it's agile. It's a combat-sized Swiss Army knife. I don't know about you, but that's pretty damn cool. Thanks for joining me today and getting to know a deity I thought I might never cover. But hey, that's what the comments section is for, am I right? Like if you liked it, subscribe if you liked it. I've got more videos on the way. Apologies for the long gap of lore content, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Take it easy.